L3, L5, and C5 in the middle part of the neck are the most common areas that people have disc compression issues because they're already stressed to begin with, but if you lose the proper curve angle in the neck, it puts even more stress on that area. If you lose healthy curve in the low back, then it puts even more stress on that area. So they're already compressed to begin with, they're designed to take on a compressive load, but when we mess up the structure of the spine and it puts more weight on those areas, then those are the first areas to buckle. Like and follow us for more tips and tricks like this so we can help you make the rest of your years the best of your years.